Good morning, everyone. So today we are starting the exponents chapter. We are starting exponents chapter. So what do you mean by exponents? We are going to learn now. Okay, so suppose I am multiplying here 2 4 times. Okay, so what I am doing, I am multiplying this 2 4 times. So I am multiplying this 2 as 4 times. So we can write this as 2 power 4. That means 2 we are multiplying 4 times. The power will be raised to 4. So in the same way, if it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how many times I have multiplied this 3? Total 6 times I have multiplied this 3. So what is, how you can write this one? We can write in the form of 3 power 6. That means 3 we are multiplying 6 times. Okay. So in general form we can write a into a into a into so on up to m times. How many times I am multiplying? M times I am multiplying. So I can write this value as a power m. So how I can write? I can write it as a power m. So in this a power m, or in this 3 power 6, or in this 2 power 4, this a value we will call it as base value. What we call this a value as? A value we will call it as base value. In this case 3 we will call it as base value. 2 we will call it as base value. Okay, and what we call this m as? M is a exponent. Okay, so what we call this m as? M is called as exponent, or we can call it as power, or we can also call it as index. Okay, so we can call this m as exponent, power or index. In the same way, we can call this 6 as power, 3 power of 6. Okay, now 2 power of 4, that is 4. 4 is 4, what we call? We can call it as exponent, we can call it as power, or we can call it as index. So in this total a power m, we will call it as exponential form. So what we call this a power m? A power m we will call it as exponential form. In the same way, this 3 power 6 is a exponential form. 2 power 4 is in the form of exponential form. Then what we call this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what we are doing? We are doing project here. What we are doing? We are doing project here. Project means we can call this form as project form. Or we can also call it as expanded form. What we can call? This part we can call it as project form or expanded form, and this 2 power 4, the whole term we will call it as exponential form. In this exponential form, the base value a is called as base and m is called as exponent, power or index. So this is about exponent. What is exponent? Exponent is nothing but the power value. We will call that power as exponent we can call, or power we can call, or also we can call it as index. Anyway you can call that value. And what you have written here, that will be a project form, or we can call it as expanded form. The total term we will call in the form of exponential form. So this 3 power 6 is in the form of exponential form. A power m is in the form of exponential form. 2 power 4 is also in the form of exponential form. Okay, so this is about exponents. In this you are having some base values. We are having some. So already you know how to do prime factorization. Yes, we will solve all the values by using prime factorization only. Okay, so in this we are having some laws of exponents also. Before that, first we will solve our exercise 1. So exercise 1, in that What is exercise 1? Write the base and exponent in each case and also write the term in the expanded form. So we have to write what is the base value and what is the exponent value, and we have to write in the expanded form of the given value. So here the first one is write the base and exponent in each case. Also write the term in expanded form. Okay, so what is the first one in that? First one is 3 power 4. So for this 3 power 4, what is the base we have to find, what is the exponent we have to find, and we have to expand them in the form of expanded form. So here given 3 power 4. So in this, what is the base value? Base value is 3 and the exponent is 4. And what is the expanded form? 3 power 4 means 3 we have to multiply 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is what? Expanded form. So second one, 7x to the power of 2. So what is the base? What is the exponent we have to find? Base is 7x. Exponent is 2. Now we have to expand the given question. So how to expand? 7x we have to multiply how many times? 2 times we have to multiply. That is 7x into 7x. So this is our second one. Next, third one, 5ab whole cube. So what is the base and what is the exponent we have to write? So given 5ab whole cube. So here 5ab is a base. So 5ab is a base. Base is 5ab. And what is exponent? Exponent is 3. So what is exponent here? Exponent is 3. Now we have to write in the form of expanded form. So here 5ab we have to multiply how many times? 3 times. So that is 5ab into 5ab into 5ab. So this is our expanded form. Okay, so this is our third question. Next, fourth one, 4y whole power 5. So given 4y whole power 5. So in this, what is the base? What is the exponent we have to write? So base is 4y and exponent is 5. So now 4y, how many times we have to multiply? We have to multiply this 4y 5 times. That is 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y. So this is our expanded form. Okay. So next is, so with this our first bit is completed. So second bit is write the exponential form of each expression. So we have to write the number given value in the form of exponential form. They have given in the form of product form. We have to write in the form of exponential form. So here second bit. Second bit, write the exponential form of each expression. write the exponential form of each expression. So first one is 7, they have multiplied 5 times. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So how many times they have multiplied? 7 times they have multiplied. So that one we have to write in the form of exponential form. So how to write that? We can write in the form of 7 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times they have multiplied. So 7 power 5 is our exponential form. So next, second one. 3 times they have multiplied. And 5 4 times. Okay, so now how to write this? 3 times they have multiplied means so 3 times they have multiplied, so we will write in the form of 3 cube into 5 they have multiplied 4 times, so we can write 5 power 4. So this is the exponential form for second one. So next one. Third question. Third is 2 they have multiplied 3 times. 3 times. And 5 3 times. Sorry, 3 4 times, 5 3 times. Now this one we have to convert into exponential form. So given 2 into 2 into 2 into so 2 how many times I have multiplied? 3 times. So it will be 2 cube into 3 they have multiplied 4 times. So it will be 3 power 4 into 5 they have multiplied 3 times. So it will be 5 power 3. So this is the exponential form of third one. Next is next bit, third bit. Express the following as a product of exponents through prime factorization. So they have given the number, we have to convert into prime factorization. By using prime factorization, we have to write in the form of product of exponents. So here third bit. Express the following express the following as a product of exponents through prime factorization. So by using prime factorization, we have to solve this. So first one in that 288. So this 288 we have to convert into prime factors. How to convert into prime factors? By using prime factorization. So here given 288. So 288 we have to convert into prime factors first. So here it will go in 2 table. So it will go in 2 table. That is 144 times is 288. 272 times is 144. 236 times is 72. 18 times is 36. 9 times is 18. 3 times is 9. And 1 time is 3. So what you got the product here? How many times you got 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. and 3 times 3 you got 2 times. Yes, now we can write in the form of exponential form. 5 they have multiplied 2 times, that is 2 power 5 into 3 square is our answer. Okay, so next one. $1,250. So it will go in 5 table. So 5 2 times is 10. 2 will be remaining. 2 will be remaining. 5 5 times is 25. 5 0 times is 0. So 250 times is 1,250. Again with 5 table. 5 50 times is 250. 5 10 times is 50. 5 2 times is 10. 2 1 time is 2. So we got it as 5 into how many 5s? 1 2 3 4 5s and 1 2. So we can write as 5 power 4 into 2 power 1. So this is 5 power 4 into 2 power 1. So this is our second one. Next is third bit 2250, that is 2,250. So for this we have to find. So given 2,250. So for this we have to do prime factorization now. So it will go in 5 table. So 5 4 times is 20. 5 5 times is 25. 5 0 times is 0. That is 5 times of 450 will be 2,250. Again with 5 90 times is 450. 5 18 times is 90. Here 2 9 times is 8. 3 times is 9. 3 1 times is 3. So what we got here, 5 we have multiplied to 3 times. 2 1 time and 3 2 times. So write in the form of exponential. So it will be 5 cube into 2 power 1 into 3 square. So this is our third question. Third solution. Next 3,600. Next is 3,600. Given 3,600. So for this we have to do prime factorization now. So here in 5 table, 5 7 times is 35. 5 2 times is 10. 5 0 times is 0. Again with 5 1 times. 5 4 times is 20. 5 4 times is 20. 5 not with 5 it will go in 2 table. So 2 72 times, 2 36 times, 2 18 times, 2 9 times, 3 3 times and 3 1 times. So what is the exponential form here? 5 we have multiplied 2 times, 3 4 times, 2 4 times and 3 2 times. So what is the exponential form? 5 square into 2 we have multiplied 4 times, that is 2 power 4 into 3 square. So this is our answer of fourth one. So this is our fourth one. Next is fifth. $2,400. So for this we have to find the prime factors. So given 2,400. So this will go in 5 table because the last digit is 0. Okay, so 5 times 5 4 is 20, 4 will be remaining. 5 8 times is 40, 5 0 times will be 0. That is 5 times of 480 will be 2400. Again with 5 table, 5 8 times is 40, 5 9 times is 45. Here it will be 4. 5 8 times is 40, that is 98 times you got. So it will be 30 here. So 5 6 times is 30. Okay, so now with 2 table, 248 times is 96. 224 times is 48. 212 times is 24. 2 6 times is 12. 2 3 times is 6. And 3 1 time is 3. So we got it as 5 into 5 into 2, we are multiplying 5 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 square into 2. How many times we have multiplied? 5 times. That is 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. So what is the answer? 5 square into 2 power 5 into 3 power 1 is our answer. So this is our fifth one. And with this our third bit is completed. Next is fourth bit. So in the given values which is greater we have to find. So identify the greatest number in each of the following pairs. So fourth bit. Identify the greatest number in each of the following. So in that, first one is 3 cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube or 3 square. So in this two, which is greater we have to find. So here 2 cube given 2 cube or 3 square. So 2 cube means 2 we will multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, that will be equals to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 square, 3 we have to multiply 2 times. That is 3 into 3, that will be equals to 9. So here we know that 8 is less than 9. That means 2 power 3 will be less than 3 power 2. So this is our first one. So next one. Second one, 5 cube or 3 power 5. Given 5 cube or 3 power 5. So 5 cube we have to multiply. 5 cube means 5 we have to multiply 3 times. So here 5 cube, that is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. And 3 cube means 3 we have to multiply 5 times. That is 3 power 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 5 5s is 25. 25 5s is 125. And here 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s is 81. 81 3s will be 243. So we know that 125 is less than 243. So we can say 5 cube is less than 3 power 5. Okay. So this is our answer of second one. And next third one. Third one, 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. So in this two, which is greater we have to find. So given 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. 2 power 8 means 2 we have to multiply 8 times. 2 into 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are is 32, 32 2s are is 64, 64 2s are is 128, and 128 2 times will be 256. So here we got as 256. Now we have to find for 8 square. So what is 8 square? 8 we have to multiply 2 times. That is 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. So we know that 256 is greater than 64. So here we can write 2 power 8 is greater than 8 square. So this is our third question. Next is third question in fourth bit. Last bit now in this exercise. So they have given that fifth bit. If A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 2, find. So what values we have to find? We have to find that A power B plus B power A. So what is the value of A power B plus B power A? We have to find. So these values we have to substitute here. So given A power B plus B power A value is 3, B value is 2, plus B value is 2 and A value is 3. So now 3 we have to multiply 2 times. 3 into 3 plus 2 we have to multiply 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 3s is 9 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will be how much? It will be equals to 17. That is A power B plus B power A is equals to how much? 17. So next one. Second one. A power A plus B power B. So this one also we have to substitute the values here. So A power A plus B power B. A value is how much? 3. 3 power 3 plus 2 power 2. So 3 cube is how much? 3 into 3 into 3 we have to multiply, plus 2 square is 2 we have to multiply 2 times. So now it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s is 27 plus 2 2s is 4. So 27 plus 4 will be equals to 31. So this is our second one. Third one. Third is A plus B whole power B. So in this case also A value and B value we have to substitute. So A plus B whole power B. A value is 3 plus B value is 2 whole power. B value is 2. So 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So 5 square. 5 square means 5 we have to multiply 2 times. 5 5s is 25. So this is our third solution. And the last one in this exercise, fourth one. That is A minus B whole power A. So given A minus B whole power A value is 3, B value is 2, A value is 3. So power will be 3. So 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 cube. So 1 cube means 1 we have to multiply 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1, that will be equals to 1. So what is the result here? 1 is our result. So with this our exercise 1 is completed. So in next class we are going to learn about laws of exponents. Thank you.